In this video, I just want to talk about exam 2 that we have coming up here, due next week, Wednesday, March the 5th. Okay, so after you've completed through chapter 13, what you would see is that you've got exam 2 here due March the 5th. There is a study and review guide. I did make this after I made the exam, so you would look at this, and this will give you a pretty clear idea of how to prepare. I can assure you that these bullet points, you should organize your notes for quick reference of how to find things based on these bullet points. I looked at I made the questions on the exam, so I looked at everything and I just kind of tried to summarize as a bullet point the questions as best I could. Now, the only change that I've actually made after, because what I do is I make these documents and I let it sit for a day, and then I come back to it just to see if I'm still pretty okay with everything. I actually took out 5 more questions, so there's actually 45 multiple choice questions. Of those 45 multiple choice questions, there are the weight should be, for your studying, should be on chapters 6, 7, and 8. Chapters 6, 7, and 8 are about 37 of the 45 questions total. And then chapter 13 just has fewer questions. I did remove the short answer questions. You still have the same amount of time though, 90 minutes. So this would be, you'd be deleting and short answer question. Maybe I should just change this. This will be 45 and this part will be removed. I probably will just revise this document just to make it a bit more clear. Okay, so let's just look at the exam itself. Okay. So here you will see that you will be shown the correct answers basically on the deadline. You'll be shown the questions one at a time. You can go back, so your questions are not locked after answering, meaning you can go back to your exam and see how things are. Again, you only have the one attempt, and you do have 90 minutes. Okay, I'm going to make just a small little revisions to the study guide. But other than that, just let me know if you have any questions. Just send me an email, and I am, again, quite responsive because I do know you're taking an exam. So, okay.